Today we are making rainbow Skittles.
We will need water, a plate, and Skittles.
Next, arrange the Skittles on the plate. You can arrange them however you want. I am sorting mine by color.
Next, you're going to add the water.
Pour the water carefully.
Make sure to pour it in the middle of your plate.
While you're
in the middle.
Yeah, I'm still rolling. The video is still going.
Hey, can you please get me one too? Wait, the video's still going?
Yeah, the video is still going. I'm videoing your results. Pretty cool.
Yeah. This is really cool. Yours is looking cool, Lindy. It's mostly red and purple. Wow, mine is looking really cool. Wait, can we keep these? Whoa, yours turned out cool.
Thanks for watching!
Make sure to subscribe to Mr. Bong's YouTube channel.
And don't forget to smash that like button. Actually, don't smash it because that'll break your computer. But tap it.
Also, you can find us on Facebook.